Top enemies to lovers BL series of all time. 1. Manner of Death 2020. The narrative of Dr. Bonicat, who performs an autopsy on a woman and determines that her cause of death was homicide. Because of his information, he is threatened by someone, which causes his friend to vanish. Dr. Bonicat investigates all of it and discovers hints that point to one suspect, Tan, who denies all of it. The two work together to identify the true offender. 2. Bad Buddy 2021. The plot of Bad Buddy centers on Pat and Pran, who have always been rivals because of their family's upbringing. Without telling their families, Pat and Pran decide to put an end to their rivalry and become friends in secret. They begin to feel something for one another as they become closer. They had no idea that the blend of romantic comedy and rivals to lovers would affect them. 3. Not Me 2021. The dramatic story focused on black and white. Identical twins who have such a close emotional relationship that they are able to feel each other's suffering. But when White's father moved him overseas following their parents' divorce, their family was essentially split in two. White doesn't go back to Thailand for almost 15 years. White suddenly has a death-like pain one day in the hospital. He gets better, but the cause is not found. His childhood friend Todd has informed him that Black is in a coma after a violent attack. Afterwards, he found out that Black is a member of a motorcycle gang and that one of them might be the one responsible for the attack. We don't often see White and Scene's interaction, and this BL is one of the best that you can watch on YouTube. 4. We Best Love 2021. We Best Love is the narrative of So Soo-ji, who once again saw the name of Gao Shi-dae above him as he looked at the class report. Ever since Gao Shi-dae entered his life, he had consistently ranked second. He was eager to start college as a result, and they parted ways. He wished to never see Gao Shi-dae once more. He was content with his time at college when he joined the swimming club. Until their final year when Gao Shi-dae unexpectedly showed up at the swimming competition. It is definitely one of the most well-liked BL series ever for haters who have lovers. 5. History 3 Trapped 2019. The narrative follows a policeman who falls in love with a gang leader and becomes caught up in the underground. 6. The Eclipse 2022. The narrative is that Supalo, one of the best secondary schools in the nation, is a strictly administered institution for boys only. Ayan, a mysterious student from a rival high school who has a mysterious past, transferred to Supalo. Thus, Ek becomes aware of it and becomes doubtful of Ayan's genuine motives right away. 7. Semantic Error 2022. The story of Sang-woo, a college student who always respects reason and regulations over all else, is told in Semantic Error. Sang-woo made the decision to take his group mates' names out of their final presentation. 8. Light on Me 2021. 18 years old Taekyung attends high school and he has been lonely throughout his life. His teachers suggest him become a member of the student council at school, where he first meets Daeun, the incredibly gorgeous president of the council, who seems to instantly take a shine to him. Subscribe for more videos.